Babalik po ako. Welcome live. Hello. Nahuli niyo ako. Nagpe-prepare na naman. So anyhow, I'm just gonna stand up here. Kasi iba po ang reflection ng light. The light is different. When I turn this off, you can see it better, whatever I'm going to show you. But if you can just give me 1 quick second po, I'll be right back. Nandito po ako. Ay. There we go. See? Diba mas maganda? Okay. So, share lang po natin yung live. Happy Sunday, everyone. Magandang gabi po. Happy Sunday. See? Diba mas maganda? May echo na naman sa laptop natin. So, share lang natin as usual. One-man team. Siguro dapat ko muna ako ng moderator. Para meron akong moderator. Diba? Sino kaya? Sino po bang magpe-presenta na maging moderator ko? Kung meron kaya kayong meron kayong free time every 8 o'clock ng gabi for an hour, let me know. Maybe I think that's better. Kasi ang hirap po nang mag-share. Ay, Tita Carmela, kamusta po? Kayo po pwede ba kayong maging moderator? Ha? Kamusta po? Para meron akong taga-share, taga-paalala sa mga tao. Diba? Kasi I'm getting really busy po. Sobra. And I still have to find time, of course, to all of you who are watching me, any part of the world. I'm so blessed and honored, really, to have all these beautiful gemstones that I would like to share with you, that it's not normally been seen, by a lot of people. And the reason why I'm doing all of this is because at the end of the day, we normally we don't know if it's really genuine. So that's the beauty of it. When you see any gemstone here, except if I say it's resin, it's crystal, then it's not really a genuine gemstone. Ano po? But majority of my suppliers are actually UK licensed gemologists. And then another master gemstone cutter. And my hardware are from Europe. So I'm so excited. Today is Sunday. I have actually a lot of stuff that I would want to share with you, but right now we need a lot of more people to come and join us. So we'll wait another 5 minutes if you can bear with me, and then definitely I'm gonna tell you today. Actually, by the way, that's one thing that I want to talk about while I'm doing this. Maybe that's what I'm gonna do. So last night when I was browsing on the internet, guess what? I saw this feed that came to me and I was so shocked. I was really so shocked. I don't know if any parts of the world are into beauty or like beauty pageants, but Philippines, yes, Philippines is a big fan of beauty pageants. I tell you, we have like Miss Universe, Miss International, Miss Grand International, whatever beauty pageant there is, Philippines is there. I tell you. And I am just like, oh my gosh. Last night, having said that, I thought to let you know, I don't know if anybody knows about this yet. Sa mga hindi pa mo nakakaalam, those who hasn't heard, but the Miss Grand International 2025 is Miss Emma Mary Tiglao of the Philippines. Yay! So I'm actually so happy for her. So proud. I remember when Miss Pia Wurzbach won. That was like, oh my gosh, it was like on a big paper of headline, Miss Universe, Miss Philippines. Like, I was so happy. Talagang, he jumped for joy, di ba? Although, the reason why, I have a big reason why I'm talking about her and Miss Universe and Miss Grand International and all of that beauty pageant. There's one reason why, but let me share more information here, okay? I tell you, you are not gonna be sorry if you're gonna stay with me today. There are a lot of things that I have in stored and thought of. Talagang it's exciting. It's gonna be very exciting. So let me share this more to more people so that more people can join us. Okay, so bear with me. 2 more minutes. I want to share this to more people. So anyhow, but has anyone watched her? Have you seen her gown? As in, ridiculously, that is just phenomenal. That's like insane colors, isn't it? That is just so insane. And when I saw her gown, like, oh my God, this is it. This is the one that I really need, a break that I need. What I've been doing since last night, since I've heard her won and saw her magnificent dress, I'm gonna, one more minute, okay? One more minute. So sa mga bagong pasok po, welcome. I have so much surprise for you today. I'm going to also, by the way, before I forget, I'm actually trying to build a community within Facebook. So I hope that you can let me know if you want to be part of the community. Meron na po akong VIP lounge for Gualberto Couture, but what I'm trying to do now is like to have like, okay, community from this area, so that we know exactly where, what stones, what's perception ng mga taga Batangas, what are the, let's say, by region pala. I think it's better by region kasi that's too small. So let's say mga taga Davao, what stones they can have, they can show us. Anybody in Benguet, I think that's a great fascinating thing that we can all network. Kasi it's proud of becoming a Filipino. We have so much, to be honest with you. We have so much to offer the world, but unfortunately, I'm not gonna say anything anymore. But yeah, let me share this more to more people. Let's see. And then in the next couple of weeks, I'm also thought to let you know that, oh, by the way, before I forget, Monday and Tuesday, that is what my call, my Saturday and Sunday. So I have enough time to deal with. I have to do here at home, also personally, and then I have to also do some like other stuff that I have to deal with on the business side. So again, our schedule here on Facebook is Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, we don't have any Facebook Live. Okay? So just thought to let you know, because you might be wondering how come I'm not on a Monday and Tuesday. But yeah, I am just so happy that I have all this beautiful people that I can network with, and it's just amazing. I'm just so blessed, and I just really want you all to be part of this, you know. But in any event, without any further ado, before I start off, again, my name is Marjorie Gualberto. I am the jewelry artist behind Gualberto Couture. And I'm based here in the UK. Any products that we have are shipped from the UK. And if you have any concerns, please message me, send me a direct message, or send me an email at support@gualberto.co.uk. We also have a website. Our website is gualberto.co.uk. So again, that's gualberto.co.uk. I think we're starting to be organized. Ano po? And then, now, if you can notice, right? See that? Why am I just wearing this and then not here? Because I just want you to see, really, I've been promoting this earring for almost every time I go live. But that's the reason why you see the way how it's dangling there. It's not showy. I can make this shorter if you want, or longer if you want, no problem. But of course, with a little bit of extra price on that if it's longer. And then if you can see, you know, it's not really too showy or too dainty, right? It's not overbearing. I'm gonna put the other one here, and see that? See how beautiful that is? Like, it's showing womanhood, showing how beautiful you are, and you're blessed to be able to wear earrings, right? And it's just fun thing to have. And guess what? This is actually Austrian crystal with precious beads and sterling silver. 925 sterling silver, which again reminds me, based on the Hallmarking Act, and whenever I say 925 sterling silver, I have to show this, okay? This is the rights of our consumer, that you need to know that there should be a marking on your jewelry. So that's one part of our thing. So, kita nyo ba yan? Nakita nyo yan? See how beautiful that is? So that's the reason why I'm just wearing one. Alright, and this is actually pre-order. It's now on our website. You can definitely go. Again, that's gualberto.co.uk. Tita Carmela, I am just so happy that you are with me. I think ikaw na lang maging moderator ko kung available ka. Mag-meeting tayo mamaya pagkatapos ng live. Anyhow po, to my family and friends in the Philippines, hello, how are you? And to those who have just come in, again, my name is Marjorie Gualberto of Gualberto Couture. I am the jewelry artist. So in any event, we are now going to start with our show and tell portion of the live. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? So again, who won the Miss Grand International? Ano, it's Emma Tiglao. If we can just Google search her dress, maybe what I can do is show her dress, to be honest with you, how beautiful and gorgeous it is. Teka lang po just so everybody can really realize, you know, how beautiful it is. Maybe, kasi baka makopyright ako eh. Yung pala iniisip ko, baka magpakita ako, tapos bawal pala. So anyhow, her dress is actually, it's like feathery, with gold, with like yellowish orange or orange, and then it has like a deepish brown and all that there. And you know what? Speaking of her dress, there's two gemstones that actually came in mind. And I'm just so happy that, you know, I have them here. So let me show you one, which is very, very exciting. So the first po is, what I hope that somebody is familiar with this. If you are, please let me know. And if you can, please, tell me what this is. Ooh, that is a gemstone po. So that's amazing. This is not resin. This is not plastic. This is a real gemstone. Ooh, you see how shiny and flashy they are, right? It's a beautiful, gorgeous gemstone. Again, they are from my beloved UK gemologist, licensed gemologist here in the UK. Ooh, wow, isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that awesome? Kita nyo ba? Kung hindi nyo kita, I'm going to do, probably I'm going to put it sa ating, I wonder if it turn ko dito, the other way around, para makita natin through here without me doing it. Kaya. Ooh! Wag nyo nang tignan yung yung aking nails. Don't look at my nails anymore. My nails not part of the show. Don't worry about this. I think I have to go to a professional nails. I'm the one who just only dealing with my nails right now. So bear with me. Like, ooh, you see that? Can you see that po better? Or should I zoom in? So, yeah, yesterday we tried it other way around. So, sa tingin ko na lang ulit. Pagpasensya na again, I'm still learning and everything is a learning curve as the day comes by. I'm new to this, so forgive me. And again, I'll do better next time. Done. Kasi talaga gusto kong makita nyo eh. Kung gaano kaganda yung stones. If you flip ko po ang phone, okay? I'm here. Wait, I'm here. Thank you po. Where's na yung pag-flip? Eto. If you flip ko yung phone, and then I'll be holding the phone, so medyo wobbly siya. But I really just want you to see it, you see? Ooh, yun. Yun pala siya, oh. Kahapon nag-work. Pero ngayon, hindi siya nag-work. Ang dali lang po, ng light. Kaya pala. May i-adjust lang po ako, ha? So, sorry about this. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Amazing. Okay. Ito po, ang tinatawag dyan ay, let me get it closer. Oh, it's not working again. Pag live, mahirap eh. Ang dali lang po, ah. There. Yun. I-focus natin. Yan. Kita nyo na how bright and beautiful they are, ano? Kulang ako ng light. Ang dali lang po. Maybe if I put my other light here. There we go. And then, again, so sorry about this. I'm still on the learning curve. So bear with me po, okay? Trying to see if I can put another light here. No, it's not working anymore. So anyhow po, you see here, right? The, yung mga patterns na nakikita nyo dyan, right? This here is actually what you call faceted. Okay? Now, let's learn what is a carnelian. And where can we find this? Where can I find carnelian? How long it takes to make and form. So, let's see. Carnelian is a popular gemstone, and here is information what it is, blah, blah, blah. Carnelian, sometimes called cornelian, is a brownish red to orange variety of the mineral chalcedony, which is microcrystalline form of quartz. Color source, orange tip, right? So you can find this in Brazil, India, Madagascar, Uruguay, United States, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Indonesia, Iran, Russia, and Germany. Oh, wow. So the formation process is millions of years. Okay. Check. Let's see if it can be found in the Philippines. So, carnelian beads have been found in archaeological sites in the Philippines. Oh, wow. Such as Tabon Cave Complex in Palawan and sites in Aklan. Oh, that's amazing. So, since carnelian is a likelihood of quartz and it's chalcedony, Philippines is known to be rich in mineral resources and mines deposits. So, it's not really saying exactly. But they were found like years and years ago sa Palawan and Aklan. Amazing, isn't it? Now, just to move on a bit, I have another one here, which is a smaller one. See how my suppliers really think of the gemstones that we have. It is really phenomenal. Amazing, how amazing it is. Excuse me po. See how they facet that very, very tiny stone. Okay? Which actually, I'm going to see that. See po. Let me see. Kasi may shadow eh. See? Right? Again, these are real gemstones. Near carnelian. Okay? Kita nyo how beautiful they are. So they come on different colors. They can be a little bit of white. Para siyang snowy white. Light orange. And then a darker orange. Right? There we go. So now, I'm going to actually move on to another, oops, sorry, yung bell na pipindot ko. I'm now going to move on to another product that we have, right? But before I could show it to you, I just want you to again remember the color of the dress of Miss Emma Tiglao, who won the Miss Grand International 2025. When I saw her dress, it was like, hold on, I have those. I definitely have those in my collection. What I'm going to do, because it's very important for me to move the camera up here so that you can see it better. 1 second. So Alexa, stop. So I have to switch the phone here again just to show you something really, really nice. It is, oopsie, sorry. I really have to probably go out somewhere and get a really good, sorry about that. I'm so sorry. That's so embarrassing. But yeah, forgive me about that. Anyhow, just to move on po, there is actually a different kind of stone that is actually my favorite amongst everything else that I've seen in my journey of acquiring gemstones. There's one particular gemstone that I fell in love. And the reason being is that it sparkles like I've never seen before. And the way that they have had it, it is also a faceted stone, right? But I'm just Googling search, okay? Why this gemstone sparkles the way how it is. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to a gemstone that is very dear to me. Because this is when I really fell in love about what I do. And whenever I see it, like, it always reminds me of joy, of having the beauty of, you know, seeing things. So this is actually a garnet, but it is what you call, dun 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 dun, dun 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 dun, be amazed of the Hessonite. See how beautiful that is? It sparkles on its own. If you can see that really here, it is just so gorgeous. You see? And that's the reason why when I saw Miss Emma Tiglao's dress. It just like combination of this and of Hessonite and the carnelian is actually her dress, isn't it? Isn't it? Right? So it is a gorgeous, gorgeous combination. You see how that is. And as a result of that, right? As a result of that, I was busy last night. And what I started to do actually is to, I think I set it aside here. 1 second po. Aray. I'm here. So, I thought to show to you, right? I've been very, very busy last night, and because of Miss Emma Stiglau's dress. 1 second, please. I'm just trying to fix something here. Here we go. I actually created, right? Yes, I created as a jewelry artist. I created a beautiful piece. Just so, you know, it was just an amazing journey. And I think I'm going to call this Tiglau's earring. So this is, you know, because of her success, of her just being her, and the way how she just been so awesome. Hi Diana, how are you? So I thought to introduce to you Emma Tiglau's inspired earring. I made this last night. This is made of Hessonite and carnelian. How beautiful that is, right? If you want, I can have this on 18 karat, right? Gold earring. I can also have this on gold field. This is on stainless steel, and I can also have this on sterling silver. So, again, this is Emma Tiglau's earring. How beautiful that is. So, yay! Ang ganda, di ba? I was just like, it took me hours, to be honest with you, because I have to go through different prototypes of earrings with what I could, you know, do a matching thing. And this is actually a clover, which I thought of because I'm here in Northern Ireland. See? Nandito po ako sa UK, specifically in Northern Ireland, and yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it here. I'll probably message Miss Emma Tiglau and let her know that I created an earring, and she inspired me. So I'm hoping that she'll respond, you know, in her own small way, even though she's very busy. I don't know how I'll be able to reach out to her, but if anyone knows, let me know. I'll be so happy. I hope that she can wear it as well. So I'm going to flip the phone, okay? Just going to show you really quick. Let me do this here. Pasensya na kung hindi agad makita, okay? 1 second po. Here we go. Medyo malabo ang ating, but here. Mag-gloves kaya ako para mas makita nyo. Here we go. Yan. Ayan, nakita nyo na, di ba? So, yung pong Hessonite is the dark brown. Right? You see that? Ito po. That's a dark brown. That's the Hessonite. Which is yung kaninang pinakita ko sa inyo. Which is from this here. Right? How beautiful that is. Di ba? And then, the carnelian. But I have the small one. So I can put that on that there. So, Miss Emma Tiglao, if you are watching this, or anyone who knows her, if you can just like message her, that I created an earring just for her and under her name. So again, this is Emma Tiglao's inspired earring. Okay, so thank you. Na sana she'll be able to. Here we are. She'll be able to see me. But, guess what? That doesn't end. It doesn't end there. We have so much more today. Yes, we do. We do. Not just the Hessonite, not just the carnelian. I have so much more to show you. I just gonna have a sip of water here, okay? 1 second po. Here we go. So, masakit ang likod ko. The second thing that we're going, well, not just the second, I've shown you so much already. It's just a little bit of commercial break, okay? As you know, my name again is Marjorie Gualberto of Gualberto Couture. I'm based here in the United Kingdom. I am a jewelry artist. I make my own jewelry. My supplies are from licensed UK gemologists and also from a gem cutter, and some of my supplies are coming from Europe. Diba, social? So these are lapis lazuli, crystal quartz, and hematite. And this is a stainless steel, rich compliant hardware. The clasp and then the chain, right? So I have, this is called the Intramuros collection. I have 2 of them here. It is actually for sale and it is on my website. Again, the website is gualberto.co.uk. Okay. And then I have another product here, which is, forgive me if I'm putting myself too much on the camera. This is also a tiger's eye and black obsidian. I also have other products that I have here, which I already made. Bear with me. I'm not gonna open it because this is just a commercial. So here is actually a light. I can say lanyard if you want. This is very strong, right? I made this because I always lose keys or whatnot. So, and I don't have like a fashionable keychain. So I made this. And then I have another one here. These are all available in my website. Again, my website is at gualberto.co.uk. Here we go. And that is my necklace, right? And when you buy this, you will get this actual frame as well, okay? And then this is the blue version. And then this one here, I have these summer and winter mixed together. This is the theme of that. It's actually a complete selection from earrings to bracelets, necklace, and anklets. And it has 2 bracelets actually. One for the mom and one for the daughter. There we go. So now, we are now going back to our show. Thank you for your time on that and listening. I'm going now to our Oh, yeah. Here we go. So, as you know, here we have, when we talk about gemstones, there are two categories, which called the semi-precious and the precious, right? I'm just going to make sure that we have the complete information here. So, today, I'm going to feature you one of those beautiful one of those precious gemstones. Okay, and if you can type in there what kind of gemstone you think it's either of the four. Ano yung mga four? What are those four precious gemstones? It's what? One is ruby. I've shown you that the other day, right? Yesterday, and then the other day before that. Second one is what? Sapphire. I've shown you that yesterday too. But for some reason, the machine, it's too tiny that the machine is not really picking it up. But I will find a way to test that, okay? That's one of my to-do lists. So don't you be worrying. And then the third one, so we have sapphire, we have the ruby. The third one is emeralds. And then the last one, what is the girl's best friend? It's what? Diamond! Diba? Yun ang four big precious gemstones. But the big difference is that the gemstones I'm gonna show you, you've never seen this before. Yes, you've never seen this before. But what we're going to do, right? I'm gonna go from according to their hardness. So, we'll just check here, okay? There we go. 1 second. Just making sure that we have accurate information, right? Because I don't want to be bashed for saying, oh, Miss Marjorie, the information that you gave us is incorrect. Well, that's fine. If it's wrong, then I stand to be corrected. But what I'm not wrong is that my gemstones are genuine. That's I can guarantee you. To be honest, I should not be even testing them anymore because for one is that my gemstones have been already tested and vetted by gemologists, by licensed gemologists. And these licensed gemologists, they've gone to the extent of doing what they need to do in order to provide this to their suppliers. They've been in the industry for so long, for way too long, that you know, they're not going to mess up with just a single bead. No, they're not going to do that because their reputation precedes them. It is far more important for them to prove, to show. Hi, Kuya Nelly. Kamusta po? Welcome to the live. Hi, Stoneheart Lapidary. How are you? For my gemologist to be, you know, doing anything. No, they've been in the industry. There are you know, there are the world-renowned gemologists. There are not ordinary gemologists. You know, we have, of course, you know, I salute and commend the other gemologists out there. But the gemologists that I have, I'm just so fortunate, and I really love them, that they've been in the industry for so long. So the experience, that's one thing that you cannot buy. And they're also reputation, you know. So in any event, we're just going to go by the tier of Mohs scale. So Mohs scale is the hardness of the stone. How the stone is, you know, rated as to, oh, I love gemstone. I love gemstone too, Stoneheart. So yeah, so according to it, and the information I got here from our best ever information provider, Mr. Google. First one, the emerald is 7.5 to 8 in hardness, though the highest hardness is 10. And then the second one is 9, which is sapphire, right? Sapphire is 9. And then, somewhat, they're also the same with ruby. So ruby and sapphire is almost the same hardness. And then, of course, the hello Sonar. And then the strongest natural substance found on Earth is diamond, right? So, without further ado, what I'm going to do is that we're going to rate by their hardness. I'm going to show you first an emerald. Ooh, that's exciting. So, we're just gonna see, And again, this emerald here is nothing, you know, you've never found this anywhere. Because, dun dun dun. Ooh. You see that? See that crunchiness? That's the way how I store my supplies. I have to make sure, because of compliance purposes, right? I have to make sure that there's still in their proper bags for identification purposes. Okay? Because here in the UK, you are required to know who your sources are. And as part of our compliance and part of my company's compliance, we have to maintain the supplies in the proper appropriate bags, so that in any event, it will be easier to find who is the supplier. Diba? Now, dun 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 dun. Are you guys ready to see a very different kind of emerald? I know you've probably seen emerald anywhere, the jewelry store and all that there, but this is a different type of emeralds. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Look at that. Amazing. Kita nyo? Kita nyo? Can you see that? Right? These are emeralds. And they're very expensive. Very, very expensive. So anyone who would want to have something made of, you know, please message me. I'll definitely be able to help you put in something. But look at that. That is emerald. These are natural stones, okay? No dye or anything like that, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some more information and show this to you on our magnifying glass. How it's formed. I'm just Googling search, okay? How long it's formed. And can it be found? Bear with me. Probably next time I'm going to prep on this information now, because it's starting to be like every... Yes, we are ready, ma'am. Yes, some ruby is also have aluminum oxide mineral the same. You probably are more knowledgeable about gemstones than, you know, I go by with Mr. Google every time. Here we are. So emeralds are formed deep within the Earth's crust under extremely specific geological conditions of high temperature, pressure, and the availability of rare elements. So key requirements for it to be called emerald is beryllium, a rare element that forms the base mineral beryl, and then chromium or vanadium, the coloring agents that create the vibrant green hue. These are usually concentrated in different parts of the Earth's crust than beryllium. Ooh, right. So, this actually takes about 100 to 500 million years. So, there says there's no evidence of commercially significant emerald deposits being found in the Philippines. So, hindi pala nakikita ang emerald dito sa Philippines. There we go. It's a very expensive mineral. Yes, it is. Very expensive. Quiet lang tayo. Hindi. Kwento natin sa lahat so that people are, can see what we have here at Gualberto Couture, right? So that's our main purpose here, is really to educate people what we have here in Gualberto Couture, and for us to be, for gemstone enthusiasts, to really learn more about different gemstones and different, there we go. So we're gonna see if we can show it to you closely here. Can you see it now? Teka lang po mas maganda kung ano tayo ng gloves. There we go. Ooh. If I move it closer, I don't know why, pero yung light, hindi. There, can you see it now? So one thing about this, right, is that this is what you call a micro. Kasi nakikita nyo na yung mga di ba? Yung mga beads ko. But this one here is actually what we call as microfaceted, because they are the smallest of the smallest beads there are. Imagine that. I just want you to see how detailed it is. Okay, so this is like about 0.2 millimeter. Ganyan po kaliit yan. I'm going to get a washcom here just to show you. I can't find my ruler, so I have to improvise. This is in inch, okay? So can you see the difference of one bead? Hindi po yung strand per one bead. Can you see that? See how small that is? Sa isang pong bead, isipin nyo. And you're not talking about ordinary gemstone. You're talking about an emerald. See? Kung ibang gemstone siguro, they're not gonna be able to surpass that kind of type of kasi parang so sobrang liit niya. I don't think it's gonna most of the gemstone probably break. So we'll see how it's made. Those are the other to do things that we have here in Gualberto Couture. I have plans in the future to, guess what? To tour you around in the UK so that you can see fascinating stuff that never been before seen in the Philippines. I think that's actually a great idea so that you can explore while you're in your home, while at home or in the car or wherever, and see how beautiful the UK is. So we'll watch out on that. So yes, if anyone is interested, please send me a direct message or send me an email at gualberto.co.uk. This is an emerald. And to those who have not seen what I've done, or what we've shown earlier, again, we have what you call my favorite gemstone, which is what? What is this? Hessonite. A hessonite. Not hematite. Ang hematite po is this one here. That one. That's a hematite. But this one here is the hessonite. So see I'm going to show you how the difference with the emerald and how shiny the hessonite is. See how beautiful that is. If that sparkles there already on the screen, what's more if you see that in person? So if anyone is interested, please let me know. Send me a private message. You know, we can work something out. I can create an earring for you. I can create a bracelet for you, even necklace or even anklet, or even whatever you think of. We can make it work, man. You know, you can definitely do something for you. And then in addition to that, earlier I showed this carnelian. Okay, this is actually inspired of the Miss Emma Tiglau's dress, and as of result of that, I created a Emma Tiglau's first ever in the world, ever. O, diba? Guinness Book of Record na tayo. At Emma Tiglau's inspired earring. Oh, amazing! I hope Miss Emma Tiglao, if you are there, you know, if you have a crown, I have an earring here for you, and I'll be happy if you can wear it for me. That's actually one of the dream of jewelry artists, for someone to really wear it with proud. Oh, diba? Sana. And as a fellow Filipino, I hope you will be able to wear this. Oh, diba? I'll be so happy. I can have this on the 18 carats gold filled stainless steel, or even 95 sterling silver. Oh. Kita niyo kung gaano kaganda yan? Pinagpuyutan ko yan kagabi because I have different prototypes. Like, I came out about 3 or 4 different prototypes to finally say that, okay, this is the one that I'm gonna do. And this is a very hard piece to do, because one is that there's a whole lot of thinking process and putting it together, and it takes time. To be honest with you, this here took me about 4 hours because of the design behind it, the artistry, the you know, the things that I have to think of, what goes with and how it's gonna be delivered. So yeah, I'm so proud of this piece here. In any event, guys, thank you very much. Again, our schedules starting from now on, it's every 8 p.m. Philippines time, or 1 p.m. in UK time. We are open live every Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Monday and Tuesday are like our weekend here in Gualberto Couture, because we just have to deal with our, you know, other admin stuff and other things that we have to do in our lives too. But again, my name is Marjorie Gualberto. Thank you very much for joining my live today. I'm just so blessed. But before anything else, I did mention that I'm gonna show you 4 precious gemstones, right? I'm going to do that on Wednesday, so you have to wait till Wednesday. But I promise you are not gonna be sorry. Okay, because by Wednesday probably I have so much other stuff to show you anyhow. So again and again, I hope you can share, like, and subscribe. Here we have also Gualberto Couture on YouTube. I also have a TikTok account, Gualberto Couture. I'm also on Instagram, Gualberto Couture, and Facebook, Gualberto Couture. So all those other platforms, please feel free to look and check it. And I hope and pray that you're going to support me all the way. If you have any questions or comments, if I need to be doing this or doing that, please let me know. I'm still in the learning curve here. You know, I'm a one-man team. So if there's any hiccups, I do apologize if it takes a long time for me to do stuff. I am actually, you know, it's just a one-man team. Anyhow, thank you very much. I really enjoyed, and those who have stayed all this way, all throughout, thank you, and have a marginful day or evening. Bye, guys. Thank you.